Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we are diving into an important concept in probability, odds in favor and against. This topic is fundamental for understanding probability in data science and AI lecture. So let's get started. So odds in favor, ratio of favorable cases to unfavorable cases, that is odds in favor of A, m upon n minus m. So an odd against ratio of unfavorable cases to favorable cases, and that is n minus m upon m. What is the relationship with probability? So that is P, probability of an event A is equal to m upon n. So P naught A, that would be 1 minus PA. Now let us see an example and understand it. So problem is odd in favor of event A are 4 ratio 3. What is the probability of A? So favorable cases, you can see that m, that is 4, and unfavorable cases n minus m. So when we solve it, so we will get total cases 4 plus 3, and what will we have? All favorable, you can say that all samples, total number of samples, sample space is 7, size of sample space is 7, so in favorable cases 4, so probability would be 4 upon 7. Now let us see another. Odds in favor of A are 4 ratio 3, so are odd against A are 5 ratio 8. So see that here odds in favor of A, that is m is equal to 4. So the value of n would be 7. So again probability of event A would be 4 upon 7, odd against A. So see that here it is given 5 ratio 8. So the value of n would be 5 plus 8. Just you let both, so you will get the sample size. So 13, and favorable case you can see that 8. So probability would be 8 upon 13. Let us see another example. Probability of event A is 3 upon 5. So find odds in favor of A. So that would, and odds against A. So let us see. Probability of event A is m upon n, 3 upon 5. So n minus m is equal to 2 and m is 3. So odds in favor of A, that is 3 ratio 2. Odds against A is 2 ratio 3. Now if you want to get more resources, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co for a quiz, PDF and blog post. You can visit YouTube channel for more playlists like mathematics, robotics, statistics, machine learning and artificial intelligence. You can also visit Facebook page for a post and videos. You can connect to LinkedIn page of PostNetwork Academy. So hope you understood the concept. For more resources, you can visit these platforms. Thanks for watching the video.